Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. As celebration continues for the upcoming birthday of BTS member Kim Taehyung, as known as V, more exciting birthday projects are being announced. China Bedu Viba Taehyung's Chinese fan club has cooperated with Shincheon Seoul to design a special exhibition dedicated to showing Taehyung's music individuality and characteristics. The exhibition is located in one of the most well-known business area and will be held from December 10 to January 1 during the largest night festival from Christmas and New Year in Korea. The main attraction of the exhibition is a giant customized Taehyung Squid Game doll. The exhibition also includes a showcase wall that expresses the unique individual charms of 6 of Taehyung's songs. One of the rare part of the exhibition, one wall contains greeting written in different languages and second wall contains pictures that represents Kim Taehyung. Since the beautiful exhibition is located at a hotspot near the main road, it has become an attraction for both fans and non-fans alike. Prior to BTS Weverse days, BTS V decided to go on a late-night internet adventure with ARMY, but things didn't go quite as he planned. Around 3 AM when most of the world was asleep, this night owl entered a Kakao Talk chat room to chat with ARMYs. He joined the chat, talked to fans. It seemed simple enough, but V soon find himself getting scolded. First, he was told that he had to change his username to his real name, but naturally nobody believed that this Kim Taehyung was the original Kim Taehyung of BTS. Not only that, V was penalized for communicating through text. In this chat, users are only supposed to converse with pictures. V apologized and did his best to follow the rules, but it was all just so confusing. To prove his identity and avoiding getting kicked out, V sent a voice note to the chat promising to upload proof on Twitter. He posted this video during the time when he was using the chat room. In the end, we left the chat, but he promised to return once he studied up on fan chat room to avoid breaking rules in the future.
아미 고마워요.
Fans cannot get over V's sweetness and many wish that they had been in the chat room with him. Things might not turn out the way we intended, but he is not the first idol to get scolded in a fan chat room. NCT's Jaehyun was almost kicked out too. Thank you so very much for watching this video.